Hi guys, welcome to my channel. All of us have heard about Bitcoin and Elon Musk. So here let's have a deep dive on how Elon Musk has affected the price of Bitcoin. It came to all of us as a shock. On 12th of May, Elon Musk posted on his Twitter page that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchase using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transaction, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transaction as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrency that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. This is a shock for all of us because just 3 months ago, Elon Musk and Tesla spent about $1.5 billion to acquire Bitcoin. So a company that spent about $1.5 billion in February to buy Bitcoin at a cost of $39,000, which drove the price to about $46,000. Just after some few weeks, it has sold about 10% of the Bitcoin at about $50,000. And now it's telling us that the company does not have any interest on Bitcoin. It's being difficult to understand for all of us. Like, is he a mind game? Is he actually serious? Or he wants the price to drop further so that they will buy more? They have reaped the reward of 10% of selling Bitcoin, and they are motivated that, wow, why don't we drop the price further and buy more Bitcoin before the price will skyrocket? I'm a fan of cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency has come to stay, at least in our foreseeable future. So by Elon Musk crashing the price of Bitcoin, I will say that this is the best point for you to buy. The price has dropped now to about $50,000 as of the time of making this video. So this is the best time for you to buy if you are really interested in buying Bitcoin, because I can assure you the price will accelerate. Bitcoin is far more than Tesla and Elon Musk. I know he has been a fan of Bitcoin. He has been promoting cryptocurrency, most especially Dogecoin. But what I can say at this point is that he's trying to play a mind game with us, because I do not see a reason why the CEO of a company that spent about $1.5 billion just in February, and he sold 10% of it in April, is now telling us that they're no longer interested in Bitcoin, that the company is looking for how to let go of the Bitcoin they have because of emission and sustainability. Yes, I understand that Tesla has mean well for the environment. I'm a fan of sustainability and environment. But before buying $1.5 billion Bitcoin, Elon Musk is already aware of the impact of Bitcoin to the environment. So why is he suddenly switching? Like, I don't understand the sudden turn. Or he's planning to crash the price so that he will buy more, so that when the price has gone up, he will sell. It's been difficult to understand real intent for coming up with the news at this point in time. But let me take you to Coinbase and see what's happening. For a month, this is the performance of Bitcoin for a month. Has dropped now for about 21%. So for 1 week, you can see the news. The news came in on May 12th, and they crashed the price from about 52,000 to about 46,000. You can see this drop in price. It was caused when the news was released to the public that Elon Musk and Tesla are no longer interested in Bitcoin. Since then, Bitcoin has been trying to recover, pendulating over the 50,000 range. From what I can see in the future, this price will go back. This is just like a crash. And we all know that historically, market crash do recover. There's always a tracement with market crash. So this is a Bitcoin crash caused by Elon Musk. And I can tell you, in the foreseeable future, this price will rise back even more than the highest price before, which was about $60,000. I agree that Bitcoin energy consumption is very high. In fact, a study was done that they analyzed total Bitcoin footprint. The carbon footprint of Bitcoin was about 55.86 megatons carbon dioxide, and the electrical energy for a year is more than 117 tons watt hour. In fact, the electronic waste from Bitcoin alone is about 12 kilotons. That's to tell you about the energy consumption and the footprint of Bitcoin. Now, some of you may not understand what this exactly means until I put it in perspective for you. It means that Bitcoin consumption is more than that of Argentina, Netherlands, and the United Arab Emirates. In fact, it's even getting closer to that of Norway. Bitcoin energy is extremely high. But what I'm trying to understand is why Elon Musk, that fully knows the footprint of Bitcoin since inception, is coming to have a change of mind at this point in time. Is he actually fighting for sustainability of the environment, which I know that Tesla stands for, or he's planning to drop the price so that he can buy more in order to sell later at a higher price? It's a little bit confusing what Elon Musk actually have in mind, but I'll keep you updated as the news changes. Mark Cuban, another billionaire, has said that Bitcoin is still better than gold, is still the digital gold, and his position on Bitcoin has not changed. Just in my own opinion, by studying the different cryptocurrency, I can tell you that the best crypto is Ethereum, not because it's just a cryptocurrency, but because of its blockchain, DeFi, that acts as a decentralized finance, or what we call Finance 2.0. So I'm a very big fan of Ethereum. I have more interest in Ethereum than in Dogecoin, SafeMoon, Bitcoin, and several other cryptocurrency, because Ethereum is just beyond the crypto. It's a platform that's ready to start a new financial wave, which all of us are so interested about. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel, as I'll keep you updated with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and the several ways of making money online. Thank you for watching. Bye.